Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to learn CSS in 3 minutes. I know we can't cover all things about CSS in 3 minutes, but still this video will be very useful for the beginners. So let's get started. So first thing come in our mind is, what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is a language which is used to design our web pages. Let me just show you example. This is simple HTML and this is HTML plus CSS. So if you want to make your websites beautiful and attractive, you have to use CSS. And with the help of CSS, we don't just make beautiful websites, we also make responsive websites, which means these look good on laptops, desktops, and also on mobile screens. Before implementing CSS, let's talk about syntax more. In case of syntax, first we write down selector and then we write down these two curly braces, and inside these two curly braces we write down our property and the value, and that's it. And let's implement this. And there's one more thing, whenever you write down the property we put column, and whenever you write down the value we put semicolon after that. That's it.
Now let's write down some CSS in actual HTML file. I will use internal CSS. To use internal CSS, we simply write down style tag, and inside this style tag we write down all the CSS code. I want to target this h1 tag. I want to give this h1 tag CSS code. Basically, I want to change the look of this h1 tag. Here you can see in the result it looks like simple, it's basically very simple. I want to just change it. To do that, I will write down the selector name, and selector name is h1. So here is the way to write down the selector name. Write down the selector name and then curly braces, and inside these curly braces will be CSS code for the h1 tag. Now to change the color of this text, simply write down the color property and the color value like this. This is the property name for the color and this is the value of a color. And save your file and then refresh the browser, and here you can see the color for the text is changed. Now if you want to increase the font size, there is a different property and value for that. Write down that and save the file and refresh. Here you can see the changes. Here you can see and if you want to give background color, for that there is also a different property. And these are some basic properties. Let me just save the file, and here you can see the h1 is totally changed and it's beautiful, better than the previous version basically. So this is how you implement CSS.
Now I hope you have basic understanding of CSS, and here are some examples which you can create by using CSS. I hope you like these examples, and you can make these examples. These are very easy. You just need to know about more properties. That's it. And you can check out my tutorial. I have shown you all these basic properties and important properties which can create beautiful designs. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye, take care. And if you have any idea for video, tell me in comment sections. Bye, take care.